So somebody's gonna sing right now. She's gonna sing for her birthday. What song? What song?
Sunod. Uy, nag-video kaya.
Hi. This is Jane.
Hi.
This is
Hi.
Amber. This is Mia.
Hi.
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 What's up? May say something interesting na.
Unsa man akong
No,
studio?
you're gonna sing for us.
Ah,
Because
oo.
it's your birthday.
Ang birthday girl.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Jerica.
Yay!
Happy birthday,
happy
Jerica.
birthday, happy birthday to
Ano
me.
naman matagdag?
Woo!
Woo!
Another song, another song.
Okay. What song?
Who's gonna sing?
You.
Uy, naman
As
may
a
singer dire. Kinsa man, ikaw?
Jane.
Ano?
Nana may singer dire, na may singer dire.
Sing for us, Mia.
May singer dire.
Oh,
May singer
yeah.
dire.
Totally. Come on, Amber, sing me a birthday
Ikaw
song.
na lang. May singer dire. Kanang pinakurog-kurog ang happy birthday. Hindi ko alam.
Say chuka hamida. Say chuka hamida.
Sige na. Happy birthday ka. Pinakurog-kurog.
Okay, we'll all listen.
Muna.
Yeah, like you shake your body.
Sige, sige. Ano? Sige na. Pinakurog-kurog. Pinapawag mo.
Ana.
Happy birthday. Pinakurog-kurog.
You can do happy birthday. Like
Happy
birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
To you, dear.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
let's all sing another song.
This,
Wow!
Oh, sad. Oh,
Who's that dedicated to, JP?
JB, oh, binili. Oy, kang Gil.
Hi,
Yeah.
Hi, JB.
Hi, JB.
Hi, JP.
Hi, JB.
You're gonna see this in 5 years when you're married. So, like, I know you're seeing this right now.
Hi,
and
Gil. Hi,
it's
CM.
probably
Hi,
your
Gil.
marriage. So, yeah.
Hi, Gil. Oh, Gil. Oh, it's you, Gil.
Hi, JB.
You
Is
know.
that you?
Oh my
JB. I
Hi,
wish you
JB.
a good, happy
Hi,
marriage
JB.
ahead of you.
You know.
Hi, JB, I love you. Hi, JB, I love you.
JB, love Mia.
Amber love si... Amber love Arnel.
Hello, who's Arnel? Hello.
Salam hamida.
Arnel
Hello.
pala siya.
안녕하세요.
CM love Amber. Darren love Amber.
Mia love CM.
Wow!
Oh my God.
CM.
Hello, you love CM now?
You love CM.
Darren love CM.
love Jane.
Darren love CM.
Forever.
CM loves Daryl.
Forever. Doril.
Darren, so they,
Darren.
Darren.
Mia love JB. Mia love JB. Jerica love Gil. Jerica love Gil. Jerica love Gil. Jerica forever. Listen, it's your Jerica. Jerica loves you forever. Jerica loves Gil
Forever and ever. Amen.
Shut up.
Oopsie, kasabaan me.
JB and Mia.
Jerica and Gil, hearts. Big
Never.
hearts. Big hearts forever.
Jane and all her men whores. Heart.
Um,
Jane, who's your lover man?
Amber and CM.
Ina and
Darren.
Amber.
Ina and Amber.
Jane and Amber.
Forever. Di, wait, Ina and Jane.
Oh, yeah. Ina and her. Huh?
Dili ako ma-Amber.
Hello! I read that, yes.
Kadungog ka.
Jane has a
Kadungog
lot
ka
of
to.
crushes on
Miyaw
people
binya.
she's not supposed to.
Ay,
Moral
ay,
of the story,
Mia.
JB loves Mia.
Te,
Huh?
ano sabi?
Let's be
Pila edad na ako
together,
18, 19,
lesbians
21,
forever.
I take that back. That was a joke.
10 years
Never.
from now, kay
10
mahimo
years
na
from
kong
now, I will look at this
Virgin Mia.
and then I will remember how Mia said that she will
Meron.
never be with JB. And actually, 10 years from now, I know Jerica, you're watching this. Jerica from 10 years
Jerica
from now.
and
Mia,
Gil.
no,
Jerica
Mia
and Gil,
and JB already have twins.
Amen.
Mia and JB have twins. I know it, right? I know I'm like a psychic. I'm so good at this.
10 years from now, may ako, Verdan, Mia, Almerol, Bloom.
10 years from now, we're 30, right? So, no
28
doubt.
pa pod ko. Ikaw may 30.
Whatever.
So old.
So, what's Amber then, huh? You're saying I'm old? You're so, huh? Huh?
Alala, kasabaan na po dani.
Patay mo.
Sure
Mia
ko.
loves guard.
Sure mo ko kinsa to. Kato tong med.
So,
Med
we're
nga
studying
naning
there.
diha.
With the
Key? Weird. Hindi ako magnaning naman po ko karon.
Oh, she's not. She's gonna wake up again.
Ganun, diri mo ko nagtanaw, diri ang cam. No?
Yeah. Oh, but though, I don't look there. Now I should look there. Yeah. Mia will
Jerica.
have kids. By the time
Jerica and
we
Mia
see
will
this.
have kids.
I will post this in the next popular website. If it's not Facebook in 10 years, I will post this to for everyone to see. And I know that number 1, Mia will have kids. Number 2, Mia is no longer a virgin. Number 3, Mia and JB will be married. And number 4, Mia will have
Mia
her own
and
house.
Orlando.
Who's Orlando? Orlando Bloom is taking you, whore. What are the chances
Ay,
that...
di, bitaw, bati na siyag na karon 10 years from now, no? Pero si Gil, di, gihapon. No?
No, si JB. No?
Ni si Gil po,
No,
no?
si JB di ay. Ay.
Ay, hard, oh.
I'm sorry, Jane. You shall put in your inputs right now because I will be reading this in 10 years.
Inyong mga input ka.
After 10 years, let's go gyapon ko.
10 years from now, kay
I
Minyo na
totally
si...
knew that.
Nanay, anak si Amber og si CM. Si Christopher Madula. The third.
No, the fourth.
Oh, the fourth.
Oh, the third.
Dili, inyong maanak
Third.
man. Christopher,
Fourth.
if ever boy, kay Christopher kay Pang.
Yeah, si Mia JB
Kay-
Magimog Jr.
Virgin Mia will be Virgin Mia.
JB Mia Jr.
Ay, what's JB's last name?
Binya.
Ah, di oy. Amber, ay.
The camera.
Si,
Your mouth na lang.
si, Christopher, dito lang ipon, oy. 10 years from now, yellow na ni.
Oo, sa laptop Jerica na.
Christopher kay Piang. Kay Piang?
Piyang.
Ang sana iyang.
Yung mo na piyang.
Ano ba siya Facebook? Christopher kay Pang Madula. The fourth. Muna ilang baby.
Sa usato pa, dili kami. Kaipang gyapon yung middle name sa baby. Sa the fourth.
Oo, di ay. Barazon. The fourth.
She's too preoccupied about thinking what her future will be. Verdin Mia,
Di, oy.
Almeral,
First, mahimo kong
Opinia.
dentist. Nya, magka-baby na ko. Adi, day. Mahimo kong dentist.
No,
Ay, di,
first you're
mag-graduate
right.
ko.
First, magka-baby ka, and then you're gonna be a dentist. Go away.
Snake o aso. Kaaway ka.
Mag-graduate ko. Mahimo kong dentist. Ay, di, mag-graduate ko. Kapasar ko sa board. Mahimo kong dentist. Magminyo. Di, magtukod pa kong balay. Nya, magminyo ko.
How could you tukod
Nya,
your own
magka-baby
balay if
ko.
you're not married?
Oo, gani, magminyo ko. Nya, magka-baby ko. Nya, magminyo mi sa ako ang one true love.
AKA JB.
Oh,
Opinia.
imo haman kay si Gel.
In 10 years.
Gel Cabanatula.
Lo!
Ano si apelido?
Pataka-taka.
Unsa man?
She's saying wrong things. See, you don't know what you're
Gabanat-
talking about.
Kabantula. Ano si apelido?
Mia doesn't know anything. Mia will first have babies, and then she will get married, and then she will graduate from dentistry school, and then she's gonna have a house. That's how her life will be.
I hate you. Kaboka ni. Kaboka ni.
I will totally upload this in Facebook or the next popular website, because what if it's not Facebook? I'm gonna upload it there for everyone to see how Mia is an immature. Do you see this? Do you see this?
Immature pa man ko kay baby pa man ko.
Yuck. You're a slutty baby, you whore.
I hate you, slut.
Did you just see what she said? Oh my god.
Joke na to eh. I'm so good.
Bye-bye. Guys, say bye to the video.
Bye! Magnaning na ko ha. Magnaning na ko.
안녕하세요. 안녕히 계세요.